Hello guys, welcome to the first tutorial on Android app development for beginners. Now I am not going to give the basic or brief intro of Android because you may already know what Android is. Most of the Android mobiles devices and nowadays TV and wearable technologies uses Android as their main operating system. So I am going to start this video series how we can download and install and configure Android app development environment. In this series we are going to use Android Studio to develop our Android apps. So to configure our Android Studio, first we need to have Java in our operating system. Before that, we are going to install the Java JDK, which is used to for Android Studio. In this video, I am going to show you how can download Java JDK and configure the environment variables. And in the next video, I am going to show you how you can download and install Android Studio and configure it to develop Android Studio application. So let's get started. We need to download Java JDK. Search it. Enter. So we need to download the Java JDK. Click on the first link, which is official site of www.oracle.com, which is provided in the description below. On that, download the latest version of the Java JDK, which is Java SE 14. So download that. Before that, let's check once all the versions and supported operating system. Then download the JDK as per your requirement. Now here I am downloading the JSE 14 Java version, which is JDK, which supports to Windows 10 and other operating systems like Linux, Mac OS. They provided the archive and installer file also. Whatever you want to download that. Here they give the list of the operating system and the names which is provided above. Java SE Development Kit 14, the Linux Debian package, Linux RPM, Linux Compress, Mac installer, Windows x64 and Windows x64 Compress archive. Here we are downloading x64 installer in our PC. Check the mark, download the file. After downloaded the file, go to the download folder, open the download file. I'm closing the tabs. That's it, gives the pop-up. This is little bit slow. Okay. Press next. Next. If you want to change the path, you can change the path. Our JDK is installing in our PC. As we are seeing on the screen, the JDK is installed. It's sometime install fast depending on the PC performance. So yeah, it's going good. Yeah. Okay, fine. Its process complete. Now we have to set the path for the JDK. Close that. Now Go to the my PC, go to local file C, search for the Java folder which is present in program file Java. Okay, click on JDK. Now copy the path, JDK path, copy, Control C. Fine. Now go to the system properties. At the left side you can see advanced setting. Click on that environment, then check for if the Java home path is already created, then you don't need to create the additional path. If not, you have to create the path. Remember that we have to name the variable in capital form, just like as shown on the screen, java underscore home, and then paste the path which we have copied. Click OK. 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 Fine. We have successfully installed the Java JDK in our system. In the next video, I am going to show you how you can download and install Android Studio.